What's going on, gardeners? It's our first 2-minute garden tip of the year, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why you shouldn't delay and you should be ordering your seeds for the growing season right now. Winter is just beginning, and it's going to be very cold across the country for a long time to come, and for that reason, most gardeners put off ordering their seed until things start warming up. And I'm here to tell you that is a big mistake. There are 3 huge advantages to ordering seed as early as possible. The first reason is to get the best selection possible. Saving seeds is a lot of work, and it's not a means of getting rich. People do it because they love doing it, not to get wealthy. So for that reason, seed stock is very finite, and the highly desirable varieties fly off the shelves quickly. So if you want to get all the varieties that are new and hot and that you truly desire, get them as soon as possible before you see those dreaded out-of-stock warnings. The second reason is to benefit your mental health. A lot of us are able to limp through the dark and cold and dreary times of November and December because we have all of these holidays keeping us occupied. But now January has begun and there's nothing really going on but the cold. And that can be very grating on our psyche. Simply by ordering seed, browsing those seed catalogs, seeing all these interesting new varieties and looking at the beautiful pictures of the summer vegetables, it gets us excited. It gets us in a good mood and it just makes us happy. So start planning and order your seed right now, because just seeing those seed packets will make you feel better, I promise. And the third reason is if you order those seeds early in the process, you will be able to plan out your garden much more effectively than if you wait until the last minute. When you wait until the last minute, you have to hurry up and get them all planted, and you don't have time to sit and really collect your thoughts and think things through. When you already have the seed ordered and delivered and you know exactly what you're going to grow for the year, then you'll have plenty of time to actually plan out your garden and figure out where everything is going to go as strategically as possible, and you can make the best use of your space. If you'd like to know where I like ordering seed, my favorite places to order seed are Victory Seeds, Baker Creek, Southern Exposure, Tomato Growers, Territorial Seed, and I've also had good luck ordering from Burpee and Wild Boar Farms. However, if you'd like to support some fellow YouTubers, you can also buy seed from Haas Tools, MI Gardener, and I'm sure there are countless other great companies out there that you can support. By ordering your seed as early as possible, you will have a better selection, a better planned out garden, and you'll also feel a lot better because spring will be in sight. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.